Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects us all: technology. From the moment we wake up to our morning alarms to the last scroll through social media before bed, technology shapes our daily lives in ways we can't even imagine. But is it all good? In this lecture, I'll explore the amazing benefits of technology, like how it makes communication instant and learning accessible. But we'll also discuss the challenges we face, such as distractions and health issues. Join me as we uncover the double-edged sword of technology. Let's find out if it truly is our friend or foe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started.
Technological developments have changed our lives in many ways. From how we communicate to how we learn, technology plays a major role. These changes bring both advantages and challenges, affecting our daily lives in many aspects. First, technology has made communication easier and faster. In the past, people wrote letters that took days or even weeks to arrive. Now, with smartphones and the internet, we can send messages instantly. For example, people can make video calls with friends and family living far away. This allows people to stay close even when they are miles apart. As a result, communication is more convenient and accessible than ever. Furthermore, technology helps us in education. Thanks to online learning platforms, students can learn from anywhere in the world. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many students took classes online. This helped students continue their education without interruption. Therefore, technology has made learning more flexible and available to everyone. On the other hand, technology also brings some challenges. One big issue is that many people spend too much time on their devices. For instance, some people check their phones constantly, which can distract them from their work or studies. Additionally, spending long hours on screens can lead to health problems, such as eye strain and poor posture. Because of this, it is important to balance technology use with other activities. In conclusion, technology affects our lives both positively and negatively. It makes communication and learning easier, but it also brings challenges like distraction and health issues. To enjoy the benefits of technology, we need to use it wisely and find a healthy balance in our daily lives.